It's monthly newsletter time, and I know I haven't been doing this regularly. I think the last time I shared a monthly newsletter was February, at least on video. I do send my monthly email newsletter every month within the first week, and it is May now, and I wanted to share on video because I think some of you are not yet subscribed to my email list. So I do have some fun events coming up and some fun trainings. You may not have seen me as much on YouTube. That's okay. I still have some great videos from the past, but I'm not regularly creating as much content because my focus has been on these other projects, which I would love to invite you to. So first of all, let's just get over to the newsletter. And if you want to see it and read through it, I will put a link in the description so you can click on it and read it and then get all of the links to sign up for things or subscribe or be part of this. So let's get to it. So first of all, this is my main newsletter. I've been doing this, I think, for 2.5 years now. I had set a goal of doing at least a monthly newsletter, and it's just got a smattering or smorgasbord of events and upcoming things and maybe things that have happened and any shout outs. And I always do a initial, just like a first quick personal update. And so for April, it was quite lovely here in the Pacific Northwest. I was invited by my friend to go to the Tulip Festival, and we went on a Tuesday. So it was a weekday, beautiful weather, very little traffic, so wonderful, and a great experience in comparison to the time I went 3 years prior on a weekend. Don't do that. And on the busiest weekend. So this was a really fun time. And then me and my sister Alicia did start recording episodes for our podcast. And I will do more of like a big push and a launch and things for that when the time comes. Right now, we're still recording the first few episodes. And then we want to get at least 4 before we launch it to the public and make it a regular thing. And I'm waiting on some graphics and some illustrations that Alicia said she would do. And then we'll combine them and put them all together. And that will be on YouTube in the podcast section of my channel, as well as all the other places as soon as I figure that out. So I thought that the thing that me and my sister would do is let's just get our episodes recorded and figure that out. And then we can do the next steps. Like for right now, let's just see if we work well together and see if we like recording together. So far, so good. It's been very fun. There's a little sneak peek on that. And then the main thing I'm promoting, which I'll talk about in a moment, is the 5-day website bootcamp. So make sure to sign up. I did it last year, and this year I'm simplifying things and making it more doable, more actionable. It's going to be way better. So as we get down, we'll talk about the next actual business things and the events and whatnot. I'm still teaching my 6 a.m. Zoom yoga class. That is always like the first event that I list is, hey, I'm still doing a Zoom yoga class Monday through Thursday. I have changed the 1-hour power yoga to 45 minutes of power yoga. I needed just a slight decrease in the 1-hour time frame. And I do believe if you wanted to make it longer, you could take an extended Shavasana or practice a little bit more, all good. But I think 45 minutes is a better, longer class duration for an online class. So I've shortened it. Monday, Tuesday are 30 minutes, and then Thursday is a 30-minute chair practice, which we just did today. And then, pretty picture of me. You can check out the schedule, sign up for free if you'd like. And I also do have a replay library, and I just uploaded all of the videos from April into that video library yesterday. So everything's updated. That is $25 a month, and you can cancel anytime if you want access to all the past videos. And maybe you just really missed doing my power yoga classes. So I do have a good 12 to 15 1-hour power yoga classes, as well as now the 45 minutes getting in there. So those are there for you if you are interested. And the main thing, ta-da, is this free 5-day website bootcamp. Yes, it is free. It's Monday through Friday and starts May 18th. And I would love for you to join us. If you're watching this after May 18th, the replays will be available through May 29th. So you've got the entire month to sign up and watch through them. They're not going to be super long. Like I said, I've really scaled it back and made it more actionable. So I'm thinking like 30 minutes a day or so and a quick homework assignment. I already have the outline. When you sign up, you can already download the workbook so you can get a head start if you wanted to. totally free. It is the main event I want to share. And it's all about this 5 days is all about creating a clear, simple homepage. So we're really working on the homepage criteria and really clarifying all of that. So if your website's been sitting on your to-do list for a while, this would be such a great thing to sign up for. So get registered. It is free. I'm going to walk you through and give you as much as I can. And one of my goals in my business and even just showing up online is to be of service to people, even if it's not paid all the time, even if it is sometimes it's a free boot camp or free challenge or free webinar. I host those all the time because I want you to see and understand the value that you're getting. So when and if you do decide to work with me, you know what you're getting is of even more value. All right. So sign up for that. And then I decided just today to bring back my good old sequencing and queuing collection. This was back when I was teaching sequencing and queuing workshops and teacher trainings. I had a membership a few years back. And so I decided to take this bundle, this collection of sequencing and queuing trainings, along with my yoga teacher training manuals and my ebook of the past. I put it on sale. So if you're interested in more of the teaching stuff, if you don't have this already, definitely get it because it gets you everything that I taught in the past about sequencing and queuing. And I don't know that I'm going to come back to teaching class sequencing because I've moved on more so to the tech and business side. But this is what I used to really be into. And it's something that I still like sharing. So if you are a newer teacher or you just want some different ideas or worksheets, or even to use this for some of your own teacher trainings, I would say go ahead and get this. It is at a discounted rate for a few days. And then I always do a little shout out to Ash's Academy. That is my main membership for business coaching. I put the call schedule up here. We do live calls. You have access to a bunch of different online courses. And I just talk about, the go-to place and where to learn more if you want to get inside. And the last thing I have is resources and recommendations, which I write frequently. Offering Tree is always my first recommendation for an all-in-one system that saves you time and eliminates headaches. And it's just a great all-in-one website, email, marketing tool. Okay, so that's great. I also have a link that gives you a discount. I have linked my full list of equipment recommendations on my Amazon page. And then my favorite microphone is the one that I'm using still, the Rode Wireless Micro. I have linked to that. And then the last thing I recommend and I've started using recently is Descript for video editing. And specifically, I'm doing this with the video podcast of me and my sister's podcast. And you're able to edit just based on the text and the transcript, which is really cool. So I have liked that because I'm able to take out all the ums and the ahs or just sections just based on what the transcript is. And it's a lot easier than having to listen and cut and slice and all that stuff. So it's been kind of nice to do that. And I can see the transcript for both my sister and me, and we're talking together, and super cool. So Descript, I have a little discount link if you are interested in trying. I think you get 50% off for the first couple months. That's pretty cool. And that is it. That's the main newsletter. Main thing is to sign up for the website boot camp. I hope you do. It is a live training. I'm going to go live every weekday at 10 a.m. Pacific time, but the replays will be available. You'll have homework. We'll have prizes and games and giveaways and all sorts of fun stuff. So it's going to be a really great time. I love doing these kinds of events. I just think they're so much fun. So that is it for a May newsletter recap. I hope you're having a great day and a great May so far. We are headed into warmer weather, which has always been nice. But I hope to do more videos and give you more updates as time goes on. Don't forget to click the link so you can read and click all the links for all the things. And I'll see you in the next video next time. Perhaps the next time you'll see me is when I launch the podcast. That'll be in a couple weeks still though, because one thing at a time. Website bootcamp first, and then I'll probably launch the podcast right after. Okay? So look forward to that. It's going to be so fun. Me and my sister have two very different businesses, but we have such good conversations together as we work in our entrepreneurial dream life. It's going to be good. Okay, see you next time.